this word? Have you ever heard about it before? Replacement. I know all rich people, all families in Uganda, they prepare a replacement. If I leave the earth, this person will replace me. Do you prepare somebody to replace you? Do you think if you prepare somebody who will do the best for the company? I have already prepared him. Can he replace me? That one may be wrong. We don't prepare people to replace us. That one is already wrong. What are you supposed to do is to equip the person, equip that person with knowledge, skills, and ideas which can make the company move. But don't prepare him to replace you. The moment he's lacking the knowledge, the skills, and ideas to make the company move, the company will collapse. Others, they are paying fees for their daughters and sons to get masters, to get PhDs. There is a difference between education and skills to manage. Let me tell you two stories. I had a friend of mine who was given $1 billion to start a circle, a lending company circle. After 5 years, the company closed. Another friend of mine, he sold land, 30 millions. He started a lending company, the company which is lending money. After 5 years, money accumulated to something like a 5 billions. What is the difference between these two people? The other one was educated, highly educated, but did not have skills, ideas, and knowledge to run the company. If you are a man and anytime you are dying, you are leaving the earth, you are living the life, do one thing. Don't prepare younger ones to take over the company. What you should do, equip. Just make sure you equip sons and daughters of yours with knowledge, skills, and ideas to run the company.